Test number 1 is commencing. Here we go.
I'm gonna pretend to play a game and then do the thing.
Ray just took a picture with him. Did you see that? What, you're like a tree?
It's time for the treat! Get it! Quick!
Get the tree!
Take this!
Test subject!
The test subject is hoarding the donuts in the bathroom!
Test subject ran away with fear.
He hasn't been responding.
Donuts!
He isn't responding very well to the freaking test. He was almost violent, but then it subsided.
Okay.
No, that's not Kristen.
Now we're hearing some clapping sounds.
Oh my.
The subject is choking.
He's responding maybe too late to the treatment! This was how it's supposed to happen! This was not. It's time to perform the Heimlich like we rehearsed! The Heimlich was part of the Heimlich was part of the plan!
What's that on your face there?
Test subject. The test subject has been negatively rewarded. The test subject is acting out upon the victim's sister. Back me up!
Back up! Back up, Ron!
Back up! This isn't too mean! Back up!
The dehumanization is real.
I know. Back up, back up.
That hurts!
No towel whipping!
Ow! It's a roll!
It's hard to get.
Me. So I did it to her.
Trace!
Guys, stop! When it's not your turn.
So when it's my turn, you can talk, but when it's not, you can't.
But
Wait, but how are we
when
supposed to do it with one
fine.
hand?
Wait, like
Violence!
Do we?
Challenge. Now, if you don't know what that is, it's when you get together with another YouTuber, and then you blindfold, and then you put secret things into the other person's mouth.
Ow!
Success! He didn't react with violence.
Ow, Lauren, stop!
Treat?
No, don't do it.
He's accepting the treat.
He wants the treat.
It doesn't.
Lauren, it's free biscuits at Popeyes this week.
Oh shit. No.
I want to know what this plan is.
Ow! Kira!
Such a good one.
The
That
wrong
one really
with you?
hurt.
Yeah, I don't want your
They're
Kira.
open.
It's your shit.
Oh my god.
The violence has subsided, but now it's verbal anger. Success.
No, no violence because of the glass.
But yeah,
This treat will be ice cream.
I've never done this good.
Me and my sister.
No violence. Flick test number 3.
Kira, if you flick me, I'm going to punch you in the face.
Flick test number 3 postponed. Kira, I'm about to do the flick test.
Ow, ow,
I was in the 212 on the Uptown.